to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, on a trip to Cancun, we stayed in an all-inclusive 5-star resort called Secrets the Vines. It is located in the hotel zone and is adults only. When we arrived at the hotel, we were checked in very quickly with a glass of champagne and then sent straight up to our room. The initial first impressions of our room was great. We had 2 large beds in the centre. There was a coffee station so we could make coffee in our room in the morning. A bed that faced the TV, but across on the bed was the most amazing views from our private balcony. We had unobstructed views of the hotel zone and the ocean. The bathroom was split into 2 sections. On one side we had a large shower. In the middle we had a sink. And on the other side was the toilet. We also had another sink on the other side. In the wardrobe we found a safe, slippers and a robe. Now it's time to explore the hotel. On the ground floor we visited the sports bar, which had a casual vibe. In the centre of the hotel foyer was a bar. And in the evening, it got quite full and there was live music. On the ground floor was a Mexican restaurant, which was delicious. The hotel had numerous restaurants and bars, so in the evening we were able to move about the resort to enjoy all kinds of entertainment. We were also lucky enough to see sea turtles come up to shore and lay their eggs in the evening. The next morning we headed down for breakfast. Breakfast was buffet style and it had everything, Western and Mexican cuisines. There was really so much to choose from. Now let's explore the rest of the hotel. We found a gift shop, and on the 12th floor we found more restaurants, an amazing gym with great equipment, and a spa. course, the best part of the hotel was the amazing pool. We spent so much time here. There was a bar, but poolside service was also included. And of course, we had to try the sea salt restaurant, which was in the pool area. After a busy day, we decided to try room service, which was included as well. Before enjoying an evening of entertainment at one of their many bars. We had the best time staying at Secrets. It was truly a great all-inclusive hotel in the hotel zone and felt really safe. We hope you enjoyed watching our stay at Secrets. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you at our next video.